Hey, I'm going to do a unboxing of this Swann Professional HD security system. I'm actually using this for my business, for my store, as opposed to at home. I definitely like Swann products. I've used them before. I have, two different stores. I haven't had a 1080p system, so the ones that I had before, being the lower resolution, it gets grainy as you zoom in. So not quite nearly as good as something that's going to be of this quality, of a 1080p quality. So just kind of looking at the box here, you'll see what you get. This one, I actually bought this off of eBay. I guess this was a specific Sam's Club one. I think I got it semi-used, but probably some other dealer got it from Sam's Club. Essentially, there's 8 channels, which means that you can hook up a total of 8 cameras to the system. And so the number of channels is important because even if you have more or less cameras, that's the most cameras that can be hooked up to this. So you can get one that's like a 16 channel but with 8 camera, or a 4 camera 8 channel. That just means that there's additional inputs for additional cameras. So this one came with 8 cameras and 8 ability to accept 8 cameras, so you can't get any more than that. I got this for under $200, and it's because it has only 6 cameras in it. So 2 cameras, I guess, were missing at some point. But it has an HDMI input to your monitor if you want. Smart search, so you can kind of scroll through and search. 1080p being the key here. 2 terabyte hard drive, which is a nice size. And you can do it inside and outside, as well as day and night vision. So I'm going to install this. It's actually pretty easy. And I'll do a video on the installation as well. Has apps for both Google Play as well as the Apple App Store, so you can watch it on your phone. I'll do a video as well showing the app once it's all set up. But basically, because I already have cameras in my store, I'm just going to be pulling out the hard drive and installing this one, and then just changing out the cameras on the camera end and leave the wires the same, because the wires should be perfectly fine. So that's that. Let's go ahead and open this box and take a look at it. All right, what comes inside. So we'll pull this top open. Pull this part here too. And then it comes with 3 separate compartments, I guess, for lack of a better term, or maybe briefcases, whatever you want to call it. First one, I think this is probably where the 2 missing cameras would be. Comes with a warranty. It's 18 months. And also in here you have a significant strand of, well, 2 significant strands of wiring, so you can run the wiring throughout throughout your home or throughout your place of business. So that's on that side. And then on this side there's another 2 sets. In the middle it's just a spacer, and that's it. So as you can see, in this particular one we have 2 cameras. Okay, so we'll put this aside for a moment. And then in the second box we'll have all 4 cameras, as the other one should have had 4. So there's 4 in here. So all in all there should be 8, but there's 6 cameras. So I'm not going to go through the details of this box because it's the same as the other one. Then the third and final box has your DVR with it, and I'm going to cover up this little thing so nobody else can get into my camera. Although I could have security, I could have a password on it anyway, and I hooked up to the computer. Power source. This power source connects all your cameras to power, and you plug that in right there. And then you also have your DVR. You could get professional installation if you want, but I'm going to be able to do this pretty easily. So I'm going to flip the thing over. There on the back, it's where you put your internet in, as well as your USB ports, your power port, HDMI out, VGA out for your monitors, and then there's an audio in and out as well. Looks like it only supports 1 audio. So I guess if you had multiple microphones, you'd have to kind of blend them some way, but I'm not sure how to do that. And then each of these is a camera input. 1, 2, 4, 6, 8 camera inputs. And then on the bottom here, you also have an HDMI cable it comes with, which was pretty nice, as well as a network cable. So that's everything in the box. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to ask. I've installed several of these systems in the past myself. It's pretty much do it yourself. So thanks for watching. If you like it, give a thumbs up. And once I do my video, my installation, then I'll link that in the description below as well. And like I say, any questions, feel free to ask in the comment section below. Thanks for watching.